Okay, here's the final product. This custom King Duster with this fantastic, beautiful paint job. Not. Anyway, this is my 4th of July color. Red, white, and blue, baby. Let's take a look at this here. 3/4 ounce Bass Pro gloss jet black worm weight. And then, I turned out the aft end of it 1/8 of an ounce. I'll have to double check the all up weight again, but it's less than 3/4. It's probably 0.65, 0.66, something like that. But I'm gonna do another one. I only have one more weight because everyone's out of stock. And I think I'm gonna go with this shimmery red magenta and then the opalescence. Those two colors for the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey folks, Roy here. I'm going to show you guys my plan on making a custom king mackerel duster, skirt, whatever you want to call them, for what they call a stinger rig. Consists of some wire. Usually it's Malin single strand, but you can use multi-strand, swivel, J-hook, treble hook, trailing treble hooks. The way these guys rig them for the South Texas coast, Gulf Coast, is about 24 inches of 61-pound Malin wire with a number 8 Spro swivel at the top. Then they use bullet weights, a worm weight, 1/2 ounce to 3/4 ounce. I think 1/2 ounce is a very common weight. And then one of these duster skirts, and then a 4/0 J hook, and then 80-pound wire, about 7 inches long, to a number 4 size 4 times strong treble, and then another 7-inch run of 80-pound wire to the final trailing number 4 times strong treble. And so right now, Bass Pro, Cabela's, online you could find it, but the stuff is kind of expensive. Academy, everything's sold out. Manufacturing and supplies all backlogged, couple months. So I wanted to go get more 1/2 ounce weights, and all I found was one pack. So I'm only going to have about 10 stinger rigs for a weekend trip, B2B trip, Corpus Christi. So I got these 3/4 ounce, and I got to thinking, there's got to be a way to make your own or whatever. And I want to take some weight off these 3/4. I don't want quite 3/4, so I don't know if you could tell here. You can see how I chucked it up in my drill, but I used a cheap chisel, and then for tool stock, I rested the chisel on my drill press table. And then next to my drill press table, I have a vise, which I held my drill. So I think I took a picture of this anyway. So I turned about 1/8 of an ounce off a little channel. I don't know if you can see that here, but you can see the little channel here, recess. Hopefully you can see this. Then I painted it hot pink, put some eyes on it. It's a shoddy paint job, but it's probably better than just jet black. And then I got to thinking, okay, so how am I, where am I going to find this real fine tinsel type material? So I start searching online on Amazon, and guys, I found this product for $7.99 shipped, Amazon Prime. It's called 40-inch hair tinsel, 14 color, 2,500 strands, sparkling tinsel hair extension holographic by Coco Store. And they're 40 inches long. Here's a bunch. It's 40 inches long. And I will start with this holographic color here, this opalescence. And lo and behold, I bet if you put this thing under an electron microscope, because I took it out already, the package. This is a P-line sunrise squid from Bass Pro. And these are only, by the way, they're not as long as I'd like them to be. These are only 5 inches long. So anyway, if you put this on an electron microscope and compare the two, these are the exact same thing on a molecular level. I am not kidding. That's the exact same material. And I've got 40 inches of this stuff, probably enough to make, looking on a bunch size of it, if I was gonna make just all of this color, one, two, probably three. I can make 3 dusters from this one pack. But look what I've got. Look at all these colors. 14 colors. Gold, pink, green, silver. It's all holographic too, glittery, you know? So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm gonna build one with this purple and then this, what was it gonna be? Basically, it was gonna be purple and a pink. Where's that pink at? Here we go. I was gonna do this purple and this pink, these two maybe, and then add some of the opalescent in there. We'll see how it goes. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm not, I don't know. What I've got here is I've got this hanging upside down, because what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of contact cement. I'm gonna get that channel sticky with the contact cement. Then I'm gonna cut out a length where it will start right about there, and I'll let it hang all the way till it touches this hardboard, the hardboard here on my table. Let it hang until it touches that, and then I'll just press it in there and it'll stay tacked. And then I'll just keep hanging. And so it'll hang this way, and once I build it all up, then when I go to turn it over, it's real frail stuff. It won't. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my GoPro, but it's got a mind of its own. Voice control is on, but it'll be kind of like this, but it won't spring as much as this. This is pretty stiff stuff compared to this stuff. See how this, you know, but you get the drift. I'll have it hanging down here, and then when I turn it over, it'll make a nice gradual umbrella, like a skirt coming back, and that's how I'm gonna make these. So these are 0.7 ounces, 0.68 ounces, but I'm gonna integrate the skirt. So I'm not gonna have this on the leader first, this underneath it, then the J hook underneath this, like there. It's gonna be one whole piece, and the weight's probably about right, kind of ideal, I think. We'll see. And at least the length will be longer, and I can pick any color I want out of these 14 colors. I mean, it's crazy. Ooh, this is a good pink here. Actually, yeah. I'm thinking these two here would be really nice. Actually, that's not contrasting enough. That's not contrasting. Maybe this pink. Heck, I don't know. Maybe even that pink and this opalescent would be real nice. Those two colors. Ooh, man, that's sexy. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get to work on that, and then I'll come back and show you what type of work of art, circus work of art that I've made. GoPro, stop recording. All right, gosh, solid hour later. I don't even know if I want to do another one of these. This stuff is super lightweight, hard to manage. Right now I've got epoxy on there. It's drying. This is my 4th of July King Duster. I'm not gonna turn it upside down until that epoxy on top of that thread cures. But basically, I would take clumps of it, a little bit of contact cement applied with a Q-tip in a little section, start the thread, and then I would loop the thread and I would tape it. There's a piece of tape up on this monofilament that's hanging this weight upside down. So the thread was always up above all of this mess, and then I would mash a clump onto that contact cement area. Then I'd grab the thread and I'd wrap the thread around a couple times. Then I'd put a small little dab of glue, let that dry quick, and then grab another clump. and grab another clump. So anyway, that's it upside down. The epoxy is curing. Then what I'll do is I'll turn it, see this head is this way, I'll turn it this way, and all of those strands will loop around and down, so it'll look like a natural skirt duster, kind of like this, but this is like lightweight monofilament, this stuff is. This one is made out of the same stuff as this. It's almost identical. But anyway, I've got some sparkly silver, pink, and blue in there. Again, it's my 4th of July. I'll show you what it looks like flipped up next time. Thanks. GoPro, stop recording.